It's February 29th. I won't be able to make another video on February 29th for 4 years. Today we're going to show you how to pull a file into your Google Drive account. All right, first thing you got to do is slide over to your 9 little boxes, put your cursor over it, click on it. You see that little hand there? Google Apps, bam, click, bam, go to Drive. Ta-dum! Slide over to New. Click on New with your cursor, bam, done. Then go to Folder Upload. So we're going to click on this. Now we're going to find ourselves a folder. Let's go ahead and do this one. And let's choose. All right, so if we go down here, we're going to see uploading one item, 15 minutes left, and it's a full folder called Casa del Mar. So this folder has a whole bunch of PDFs in it and documents. It's got 103 of them. And as you can see, it's slowly loading them in, 17 so far. So that's going to take a while. So we're going to let that do that. You guys can watch it. I'm going to speed this part up. And if you look right here, you can see that this is loading right now. My internet is AT&T, so it sucks. All right, it looks like it's in there. So let's go ahead and let's open it. And there it is. All right, so that did work very well. Let's go back to our drive. And so that loaded up a full file. It took a while, but so you could do that instead of doing one document at a time. And now we have a file, Casa del Mar, in here. All right, so if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to use your Google Drive and other things in Google and on your computer. Peace out.